What's going on YouTube? This is your boy Stacy with Sandtrans LLC, where we are driving for financial freedom. And I'm here with another hot video. It's 2/28, 2021. And I had a subscriber ask me to describe or give an example of what we call our stacking and jacking method. And what that is basically, it is adding partials together to make a full load for the driver. Sometimes, when the freight is not that great, you're not able to get an entire load. So sometimes you have to piece them together, and we call that stacking and jacking over here at the Sandtrans show. And on this past Friday, we was in Dallas, Texas, and ran into some little problems, getting the load dropped off. So we had to make some adjustments in our schedule where we actually had to take that load back to the shipper. And of course, we got paid for it, but it put us in a jam. So we had to rely on our stacking and jacking methods in order to get the driver out of Texas onto his route. So I'm going to show you guys an example here where we use the stacking and jacking method, where we booked a load going out to California. We booked one load going out to California. I'm going to show you this real quick. Turn this off, turn this on. Okay, so on this particular example, we were in Texas, and we were running short on time because we had to drop that other load back off. So we caught this load right here going to California, coming out of Terrell, Texas. It's got 2 stops on it. Basically, it's some crates that we have to deliver. 4 crates going over to our last stop is going to be in Turlock, California. And this is a total of 1,600 miles. So it's going to take the driver about 2 days to get over there. It's got a rate on it of $3,500. So because we had some deck space left, we looked for another load going over to California, which was another partial. And this particular load, it came out of Corpus, Texas, which was only about 48 minutes away from our last drop off. So we was able to create a situation where the driver could pick up a load and then drive basically 48 minutes to grab another load. Now, this took some strategic planning between myself, the driver, the dispatcher, our whole team. Over here at Sandtrans, we're a team. We all work together. So we actually formed a conference call and planned this entire deal out on how we was going to run it, how we was going to make it happen, and it worked out. This one actually came out of Corpus, Texas. It was it was 1,200 pounds. There were some steel pipes that went with it. Here we go. This was like 1,400 miles also, but this Ontario, California, when he ends his route, the drop off is about 40 miles away. So it's going to be like one dedicated run. We basically got a full truck, and let me grab my calculator here. So together on the stacking and jacking move, 3,500, 1,700. That's $5,200 on one load going in one direction. Take him about 2 days to get there. But you got to think, if he's there in 2 days and he's able to deliver everything in 2 days, we still have 3 days to run, possibly 4 if he decides to run on Saturday. So, that's our way of stacking and jacking. We use it, when we have to. Like I said, we like to run, the entire truck if we can, but in certain situations, we got to do what we got to do. So that's my take on our stacking and jacking method. And if we can help you, definitely drop us a line. Make sure you sign up for your 30 days free of DAT, and we got free insurance quotes in the description. Just about anything you need when you're starting off into the trucking business. But that's my time for today. Quick, short, nice, sweet video. This is Stacy with Sandtrans LLC, where we driving for financial freedom. That's my time, and I'm out.